Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Getting Rich. I'm Zeki. You know the drill. Last video, it went so good, for my channel at least. I got a lot of views, and I really hope you're taking action and not just looking at not just looking at the content I'll make. Anyway, please subscribe. I'm making more videos like this. It's about making money online and everything, and today I got a new idea for you. Well, not new strategy, and it's about listening to music online. So what you'll need to do today is I'm on SoundCloud right now. I'm on this page, Christian Combs. I don't even know who this guy is. Featured with Kodak Black. What you need to do is you need to transcribe some lyrics for new tracks that are coming up. Well, lyrics like this. This is a song from Billie Eilish. Her name is it's about like 3 minutes long or something, and this is literally all the lyrics to the song. So most of the time it's not a lot, and I'll show you a way to make it even easier. Yeah, as you can see, Billie Eilish 30th, it's literally like 3 minutes long, a bit longer than that, 3:30, 3.5 minutes. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to go to ref.com, and I'll go to the exact link. It's /freelancers. Like that. Well, this is a site. It lets you like transcribe tracks. Listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, and label speakers. You'll get like 30 cents to $1.10. Most of the time it's a bit like higher than this. You can also be a captioner, but today I'll just focus on this, transcriptionist. And yeah, what you need to do is like, honestly, you just put in your information out here, first name, last name, your email and everything. You could select the country. You could literally select any country, so it doesn't matter where you live. Most of the time you just get approved, just like this. And per video minute, it's $1.10. Let's just do $1 times like 3 minutes. You get like $3 if you do it like for one track. What if you do like, I don't know, 30 or 40 in a week times 40? You'll get $120. Well, this is, to some people it's not a lot, but if you have literally nothing to do, this will get you like $100 in a week, 120 even. So yeah, this is the first site, ref.com/freelancers, and let's go to the second site. It's Go Transcript. .com. So this is GoTranscript.com. It's another site like that. You just scroll all the way down and go to work. Click on that, and they'll pay you up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. Well, it's literally the same thing. Transcription jobs, honestly, literally the same. This one pays a little less than the other one, than this one. As you can see, pays $1.10, and this pays like 60 cents. Yeah, well, you could go for more jobs if you want to. If you want to stick with ref.com only, you could do that too. It's whatever you want, it's whatever you like. But eventually Well, they say the average earnings are $150 a month. So yeah, top monthly $1,250. That's if you work your ass off, you know. But this is average $150 a month. So yeah, I would do that. And let me see, to get you away, what was it? Transcribe.com. Transcribe.com. This site will help you out. It's just literally an audio file. If you have the audio file that they give you, you just put it in here, upload this, and they'll transcribe it for you. It's a simple bot. Sometimes there's some mistakes in there, but you could easily like fix it. But you don't have to do all the work by yourself, and that's the best thing, you know. Just put your file in here, make it as accurate as possible. Most of the time you just could copy a link. They'll give you a link in here, like ref.com or gotranscript.com. They'll give you a link, honestly, and you just put it in here, choose audio file, boom, you got it. That's it. So yeah, one more thing, where was it? If you know a foreign language, well, actually it doesn't really have to be that you know it. You'll get like $1.50 to $3. Well, let's go like $3. If you know a foreign language, you could easily like make 3 times the money instead of doing like $1.10 that they'll pay you up to. And if you want to do that, you just need to go to DeepL.com, and this will transcribe everything for you. It's a translator, honestly, and you know, it will like accurately do it for you. It's better than Google Translate. That's why I chose DeepL.com. So yeah, here you go. This is I just put it away, but this is the way to apply, make money if you literally have nothing. And that's it. This is all for today. If you like this video, I'll fix a lot more videos to come, a lot more make money videos. So go ahead and subscribe, like if you like this video, and there will be a lot more coming. Good luck.